so it was raining that afternoon. I glanced at my watch, which showed that at 16:31. It was already 1 minute past my class start time. The rain doesn't seem to want to stop. I finally decided to take shelter in the yard of a mini-market. Some distance from where I was standing, there was an old grandfather who was tidying up his shoe shine tool. Poor thing, I thought to myself. I sighed, looking at the rain. I don't hate rain, but maybe now God should be kind enough to stop this rain for me. The rain subsided a bit when I saw a man my age passing by a little slowly on his motorbike. He looked around as if looking for something. When he saw the mini market where I was standing, he approached on his motorbike. He parked his motorbike and got off. I could see a skirt perched sweetly between her lips, looking striking even though she was wearing a full-face helmet. He took off his helmet. His hair was spiky in a modern style. His face suggested that he was a naughty child. I rolled my eyes. At most, he wanted to buy a skirt or take shelter. A few moments later, he came out carrying a pack of skirts and plastic bags containing who knows what. I watched him sitting next to Grandpa earlier, not caring that his uniform was getting wet from sitting on the floor. I saw her slip her skirt between her lips, then offered the grandfather a piece. The conversation between them faded in and out. Grandpa doesn't smoke anymore. He's already old. Poor Grandpa's grandchildren are given a bad example if Grandpa smokes all the time, said the grandfather. Unexpectedly, he put the skirt on his lips back into its packaging, and then put it in the pocket of his leather jacket. He then took out a packet of bread and mineral water. Here, sir. He handed them both towards the grandfather. No need, just to make it for little brother, said the grandfather. But he just laughed and then put them both in the old man's hands. That's enough. Just eat, sir. I already had lunch earlier, he said. The grandfather thanked him several times, and he just nodded as he took out strawberry milk from a plastic bag. I giggled softly. My fierce face turned out to still like drinking milk. Realizing I was laughing, he stood up and came over to me.